Hallo, guten Tag. Today we are learning the conjugation of regular verbs or irregular verbs of Deutsch language. Means regelmäßigen Verben und unregelmäßigen Verben. First of all, I will describe you the definition of both verbs. Means the changes of both verbs. For example, the regelmäßigen Verben are the verbs whose conjugation follows the typical pattern, or the irregular verbs are the verbs which can also apply to other classes, other word of classes. Means they follow the different type of pattern. Means the conjugation, irregular verbs can be conjugated after following the different types in simple words so let's start. Here are some examples of the regular verbs. Two examples, two verbs of the regular. These are two regular verbs for learning. Lernen is the infinitive form, lernen, or we have to conjugate according to the personal pronouns or the subject. So we start with the lernen is a regular verb, or how can we conjugate? So ich lerne, du lernst, and with ich the verb and en, we omit en or we use with ich, with du st, lernst as learnt t, and wir lernen, infinitive form with plural, ihr lernt, sie und sie lernen. Wohnen, ich wohne, du wohnst, st, sie es wohnt mit t, wir wohnen, en, ihr wohnt mit t, sie und sie wohnen, en. So irregular verbs, unregelmäßigen Verben, means there are two examples, fahren und waschen. So ich fahre, du fährst, umlaut st, fährst, sie es fährt, umlaut und and t, fährt, wir fahren, ihr fahrt, sie und sie fahren, mit waschen, ich wasche, du wäschst, sie es wäscht, wir waschen, ihr wascht, sie und sie waschen. So these are the conjugation of verb, regular or irregular verbs. So when we are making a sentence or we have to use the conjugation of verb, we must have to learn this conjugation of verb, because or making a good sentence or for speaking is the very important for the students who are learning the German language. So we must have to learn these verbs. There are many other verbs, so we have to distinguish between irregular verbs or regular verbs. Regular verbs, all the verbs having the same conjugation, typical, but the irregular verbs are the different. That's why we have to learn this verbs conjugation. So the in this video, all your queries, the answer of all queries I have make this video for this. So in the next video we have to do a very new topic. We will meet in the next video. So Bis dann. Tschüss.